Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. If you have subscribed already, thank you for your support. In today's video, I will be cooking fried rice with gizzard. Make sure you watch till the end. I will not be talking too much on this video. Just make sure you make use of your eyes. At least some of you have already know all the ingredients that I use in cooking. So I'm not going to be talking, but I will make sure that I demonstrate everything in a way that you will understand it. Just stick around and watch how I made this good looking, tasty, yummy fried rice with gizzard. These are the things I will be using for the cooking. They are all been washed and cut to my desired shape. I got my vegetable seasoning. That's my Knoor seasoning cube. Thyme. Curry powder. Arrosti. Got my groundnut oil. This is the rice I will be using. I will be using Basmati rice that have been parboiled already, ready to go. This is my carrots. Have already been diced or chopped to my desired shape. My yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green beans. There's green beans. This is frozen green pea. I got my gizzard. I've already been chopped into smaller chunks. Sweet corn. That's my Pollo Seasoning. Okay. I have salt to taste. Red scotch bonnet pepper, my spring onion. All are ready to go. I got my chicken stock inside the pot already. So I will add the red scotch bonnet pepper now. At this point, just give a stir and make sure you taste to be sure that everything is balanced. I will be adding Knoor seasoning cube now. Now I will go ahead and add the rice. It has already been parboiled and thoroughly washed. Make sure you stir to combine well. After that, you can cover the pot and allow to cook. Cook the rice until it's done and dry. Since the rice is done, I will set aside and start frying the vegetables. Inside the pot, I will add small amount of oil and start frying the vegetables. As you can see, the oil is very small, and make sure you fry on a low medium heat. Just feel the color and see how fresh it's looking. Wow, so freshy. Just cover the pot, allow to simmer for 1 minute. I will be adding the gizzard now. Yes, I am adding it this late because it's already been cooked and fried. Now the vegetables is ready. If you want, you can add the vegetable into your rice, or you can add your rice to your vegetable, as I'm going to be doing now. I will take small portion of the vegetable and start adding the rice inside the vegetable, as much as the pot I am using can carry. That's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe before you leave your comments on the comment section below. All the ingredients that I use will be on the description box below. Like the video, share with family and friends. Don't forget to turn the notification bell button on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.